Welcome to NextGen Spark, where ideas light up your future. Before we begin, don't forget to hit like, tap subscribe, and join the spark. That's shaping tomorrow.
Right now, as you're watching this video, your phone knows where you are, your browser knows what you searched last night, and someone, somewhere, is quietly building a digital version of you. This isn't science fiction, this is 2025. The world's most valuable currency isn't oil or gold, it's data. And the scary part? Most of us are giving it away for free. Number 1, the illusion of privacy. We all think we're careful online, right? We turn off location, clear cookies, switch to private mode. But here's the truth. Incognito doesn't mean invisible. When you go private, your browser still logs your IP. Your ISP can still see your activity, and dozens of companies still track your clicks through invisible scripts and trackers. In 2025, even your smart TV, refrigerator, and car collect data about your habits. In fact, studies show that the average smartphone user is tracked by over 2,000 data points per day. Every scroll, pause, and tap, it all builds your digital fingerprint. Number 2, the reality. Every click counts. From the moment you log in, algorithms track your location, your behavior, even your emotions. Every accept all cookies click gives permission for companies to collect your digital fingerprint. Number 3, how data tracking actually works. Here's how it happens. You download a free app. It asks for access to your contacts, mic, and location. You click Allow. That data is then sold to data brokers, companies that build profiles about you. Those profiles are shared with advertisers, AI models, and even political campaigns. It's a multi-billion-dollar industry built on your digital shadow. And in 2025, AI makes it even worse. Algorithms don't just track what you do, they predict what you'll do next. Number 4, the hidden dangers. You might think, I have nothing to hide. But privacy isn't just about secrets, it's about control. Once your data's out there, it can be used for manipulation, scams, identity theft, or even deepfake blackmail. In 2024 alone, AI-powered scams cost people over $12 billion globally. Hackers can clone your voice, face, and social behavior, all from leaked data. And with AI improving every day, protecting your information isn't optional, it's survival. Number 5, the 5-step privacy protection plan. Use privacy-focused browsers. Add browser extensions. Use a VPN or virtual private network. Review app permissions and secure your passwords. Step 1. Use privacy-focused browsers. Switch from Chrome to Brave or Firefox. Chrome tracks you for ads, Brave blocks trackers automatically. You'll see fewer ads and keep your browsing history private. Step 2. Add browser extensions. Install uBlock Original and Privacy Badger, both free and open source. They block hidden tracking scripts and stop fingerprinting. Step 3. Use a VPN or virtual private network. A VPN hides your IP address, encrypts your data, and protects you from public Wi-Fi attacks. Try Proton VPN, NordVPN, or Surfshark. Choose one that doesn't log your data. Step 4. Review app permissions. Every month, check your phone settings. Remove camera or mic access from apps that don't need them. You'll be shocked how many apps listen, even when they shouldn't. Step 5. Secure your passwords. Use a password manager like Bitwarden or 1Password. They generate strong, unique passwords for every site. And always enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA. It's a lifesaver. In 2025, privacy tools are evolving fast. Apple's iCloud Private Relay hides IP addresses. Signal and Telegram add end-to-end encryption by default. Even browsers like Arc are focusing on AI-free browsing. Stay updated. Tech changes every month, but your mindset is what matters most. Always assume your data is valuable, because it is. I used to think I had nothing to hide, until I realized my data tells my entire story. Where I go, who I love, what I fear. Once that story is stolen, it can be rewritten. So protect it, not out of fear, but out of respect for yourself. If this video helped you protect even one piece of your privacy, don't let it stop here. Share it with someone who needs to see this, because awareness is the first defense. Subscribe to NextGen Spark, where we make technology simple, smart, and deeply human.